One careless drop and your screen is gone. Yeah, I'll be teaching you some safety precautions on how you can prevent screen breakage. Always use a quality protective screen guard for your phone. A quality and protective screen guard will help your phone not to have any breakage even when it falls down from your hand, because I know you don't mean it. Anytime you are using your phone always fall down. So when a quality screen guard is on the phone, not a plastic screen guard, when it fall down, it will not break. Number 2, I told you, use a protective casing for your phone so that anytime the phone falls down, the protective casing will prevent the phone from breaking. When your phone has a very good casing, when the phone falls down, it will not break. Number 3, don't put your phone at the edge of any table. So anytime you want to put your phone at any edge, ensure you put it is well positioned, well seated, so that when you put the phone, it will not fall down from that place. Now, number 4, always use your phone with your 2 hands. That's why you are giving 10 hands. Look at my hand. Isn't it 10? So you carry your phone like you are carrying a baby. That's the number 4. Number 5, don't use your phone where there is liquid. So always avoid using your phone with liquid. Now, don't forget to always subscribe and like this channel. That is it.